Your stomach is having full conversations with your brain, and those growls aren't what you think they are. You know that moment when you're sitting in a quiet meeting or library, and suddenly your stomach lets out the loudest, most embarrassing growl imaginable? You quickly glance around hoping nobody noticed, while mentally calculating when you last ate. But here's the thing. You're not even hungry. So what's your stomach actually trying to tell you? Turns out, your digestive system is way more chatty than you ever imagined, and those mysterious rumbles are just one part of an ongoing conversation between your gut and your brain that's happening 24/7. First, let's talk about what's really making that noise. Those stomach growls have a fancy name, borborygmi, and they're not coming from your stomach being empty like most people think. Instead, they're the sound of your digestive system doing housekeeping. About every 90 to 120 minutes, your stomach and intestines go into cleanup mode, producing powerful contractions that sweep leftover food particles, bacteria, and digestive juices through your system. It's like your gut's version of running the dishwasher after dinner. These contractions push air and fluid around, creating those telltale rumbling sounds. The reason you hear them more when your stomach is empty isn't because emptiness causes the noise. It's because there's no food to muffle the sound of this natural cleaning cycle. Second, your gut has its own nervous system, literally called the enteric nervous system, or what scientists nickname the second brain. This network contains over 500 million neurons, which is more than your spinal cord has. This gut brain is constantly sending signals to your actual brain through the vagus nerve, reporting on everything from nutrient levels to the state of your gut bacteria. Those growls? They're often your gut brain announcing that it's starting or finishing a cleaning cycle. Sometimes the timing coincides with hunger, but often it doesn't. Your digestive system operates on its own schedule regardless of when you last ate or how full you feel. Third, stress, emotions, and even thoughts about food can trigger these digestive conversations and the sounds that come with them. Ever notice how your stomach might start growling when you see a food commercial or smell something delicious, even if you just ate? That's your brain sending signals down to your gut, preparing it for potential incoming food. Your digestive system starts ramping up production of digestive juices and begins those muscular contractions in anticipation. It's like your stomach getting excited about the possibility of food. Similarly, stress hormones like cortisol can speed up or slow down these digestive cycles, which is why some people's stomachs get extra vocal during tense situations. Here's something that might blow your mind. Your gut bacteria are part of this conversation too. The trillions of microorganisms living in your digestive system can influence when and how intensely these cleaning cycles happen. Different types of bacteria communicate with your gut's nervous system, potentially affecting the timing and intensity of those rumbling sounds. Some researchers believe that changes in your gut microbiome could actually alter your stomach's voice over time. So the next time your stomach starts having a loud conversation in the middle of a quiet moment, remember that it's not necessarily asking for food. It might be announcing that it's tidying up, responding to a stress signal from your brain, or even reacting to something as simple as the smell of coffee from across the room. Your digestive system is essentially a chatty neighbor that never learned to use its inside voice, and those growls are just part of its ongoing commentary on what's happening in your body. What's the weirdest time your stomach has decided to start talking in public? Drop your most embarrassing stomach growl story in the comments below.